What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. As you can see by the title, this is the Jordan 1 Low. They're calling it the, what is it, like a cyber teal or whatever. It's like another version of the mid that they did with the Barcelona sweater joints, which I have on my channel already, the red pair. You guys want to go check that out. Got these on JD Sports. Let me see. Yep. So they're actually the Jordan 1 Low SCs. So here's the box. Here we go. So simple black box that you guys know. Here's the tag. Air Jordan 1 Low SC, Cyber Teal. Cyber Teal White is the colorway. Retail price, $110. Got these on JD Sports. Here we go. Okay. Wow. So right off the bat, looking at the camera and looking at the shoes from my point. From right now, the camera looks blue for some reason. But as soon as I take it out of the box, let's see what happens. It still looks blue. So in person, it actually looks like a teal. More of a green than a blue, I would say. Let me see. Can I fix this somehow? Let me see. That's so weird, I can't. Huh. Yeah, you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it. But it does not look blue on the camera. I don't know why it looks blue on the camera, really. Wow, I'm really looking at the camera here, and it really looks blue. It's crazy. But it's a cyber teal, so it actually is a teal. Just looking at it in person, not the camera. It's a teal for sure. But for some reason, yeah, it's crazy. I can't do anything about it, it seems like. But it is what it is. But comes with red laces. That's nice. White laces. So as you guys can see, so it's a patent leather, Jordan 1 Low, gum bottom. That's a nice touch. White midsole. White leather here, patent leather everywhere. Got the white Air Jordan Wings logo on the back. Here's the lateral side. Same thing. Got the white toe box. Got the white nylon tongue, like always, with a teal Jumpman and a teal lining up around here. No 23 on here. And then the inside, as you can see, there's the pattern there, the Barcelona sweater pattern. It's crazy, super dope. Let me take out the insert. Let me see. Take out the laces. Here's the insert. Nothing special. Here's the tagging. Production tagging. There you go. Got a white floor footbed with the teal Jumpman. At a men's size 10, there it is. So the pattern, it stops right there. Right there. You guys can see that. And on this side, it stops right there. As you guys can see right there. Yeah. So it comes all everywhere. Around the sock liner. Super dope, really. I really like this. It's like a very unique colorway, just like the mid. So I had to copy it. I had to get it. It's super dope that they throw in extra laces for the mid and these, so that's super nice. I don't know which ones would look better, but I guess time will tell. But I guess as of right now, stick with the white as it goes with the toe box and the ladder in the medial side here of the shoe. But yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Might throw these on, but yeah, guys. I mean, it's I don't know why it looks like that on camera. I don't know if I can do anything about that, really. But it does not look blue whatsoever. Look at that. Not even from afar. I can't change it. Like, on camera, I know you guys are seeing this, right? It really looks blue. Almost like a sky blue. But in person, it's like a green. It's like an emerald green, kind of like that. It's kind of hard to, I guess, explain or show you guys how it's gonna look like, because I mean the camera's not really picking up the color for whatever reason. I can't. Yeah, I don't know what, but it is what it is, I guess. Just one last look at the shoe. Let me check the other shoe just in case. Nothing special, but let me just show this one. So same thing. I don't think it does not. See, from right here, it looks like a UNC low. That's crazy how it looks on camera. I have never had any problems. Maybe it's just the color of it, but I'm not sure. But these definitely look crazy. I mean, but trust me, look at the photos like on Google or on the websites or whatever, any foot site really. That's the color you'll see, not this that you see in on camera, basically is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Because it's weird. It looks blue. Like a UNC sky blue type of blue on the camera. Yeah. It just, I don't know, but it is what it is, I guess. So that's it. You know, I just wanted to show you guys my sneaker pickup here. Jordan 1 Low SCs, Barcelona sweater, or cyber teals, whatever you guys want to call them. But here they are. One last look. Pan leather, gun bottom. It's a nice touch. It really fits with the shoe. Look at that. One last look in here. Comes with the red laces. Let's look. There you go. Super dope shoe. But that's been my little unboxing review on these Jordan 1 Lows. Here's the tag one more time. And that's it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.